We just threw out 20 full size black garbage bags of toys and things and shoes and clothes. And not because we were like moving all new stuff in. We were like, ugh, enough with the noise, enough with the constant advertisement, enough with the outside influence. Here now, us and what we need for like survival and continued health, and not only that, for things that will continue to move us forward. More books, less TV, more podcasts, little less music. Music is still huge for me. But I'm saying, if you're going to have time, you're going to take time. It's got to be into something that you found that isn't a hindrance, but more of a level up. It levels you up every time.